it really is about just filling those little things in.
Yeah.
You can't just read it. You have to like fill the things in. And when you fill the things in, that's when, I do it every day. That's when you reveal yourself to yourself. And here's what's so cool. Like, there's so much to uncover within yourself. There's so much more. Reveal yourself to you. You'll be much more fascinated by that. Like, I want you to think about this. If you opened a magazine and it said a day in the life with Brooke Castillo, or an article about Brooke Castillo, you might read it. You probably all would read it, right? But what if it had your name instead? You'd be even more interested. You'd be like, what is this article about me about? Right? So think about, which one would you read first, the one about me or the one about you? But yet some of you think the one about me is going to be more interesting. But it's not. You're the most interesting thing about your life. That's what this work is about.